ABC7 Eyewitness News at 5 starts right now.
Cheryl, while the warmer weather is something we look forward to, it can also bring an increase in one type of problem, skunks. Eyewitness News reporter Evelyn Holmes is live in Naperville with what homeowners and pet owners need to know. Evelyn.
Ron, the city of Naperville is prepared to deal with that unusual sign at the start of spring. As you mentioned, skunks. Now, while there is no widespread problem in this suburb now, change is in the air. The beginning of spring has Roselle homeowner Marianne Greigel in a funk.
As you walked up, I'm sure you can smell the skunk.
The Northwest suburban resident, like many others, is learning skunk season is beginning in the Chicago area. Brad Lundstein, who owns Suburban Wildlife Control, has been in the nuisance wildlife control business for nearly 30 years, working in Kane, DuPage, and Cook County municipalities. He says skunk troubles for homeowners can begin in late winter or early spring.
Every spring we get more and more skunks. Like this year already, we're well over 300 since January. So there's days we pick up an average is 5 skunks a day. We had days we're catching 20 skunks a day.
Experts say skunks began coming out of their winter dormancy in February or March. Naperville Animal Control Officer Christine Maybach says when people start spotting them, it's because of an increase in their seasonal activity, not necessarily in their numbers, which fluctuate.
Owls really don't have a sense of smell, so they can kind of fashion themselves to be able to consume these guys. But the other biggest predator actually is going to be cars. So we really aren't seeing more of an increase of their population.
Beyond the pungent odor and property damage, skunks also are a potential danger to household pets.
If a dog does come into a very close encounter with a skunk, there's always the potential for disease transmission through a bite, with diseases that can be as serious as rabies.
Meanwhile, Marianne Greigel says there could be a total of nearly a dozen smelly critters living under her front porch as she faces yet another stinky start to spring.
I have my windows open in the house just to get rid of the smell from the skunk.
Well, experts say that as the temperature gets into the 50s and the 60s, you can expect to see more skunks. But they also say as the mating season ends in the next few weeks, spotting skunks will become more of a rarity. Reporting live from Naperville, Evelyn Holmes, ABC7 Eyewitness News.
All right, pretty stinky situation there. Thanks, Evelyn.